we were talking about. This is the book we will review today. The Prisoners of Geography, 10 maps that tell you everything you need to know about global politics. So, at the outset, I'll just tell you a few things. One is, I assume that most of you, being students preparing for civil services, as well as those who are in, say, coaching, as well as training them, I assume you will know some basic things about geography and say reasonably following the developments around the world in terms of say say whatever has happened in the last 10, 20 years. uh, this book is updated till 2019, and I have added a little more of what we have seen the last couple of years, and I'll try to link both of them. And yeah, this book being the subject is what I practice also. So I just want to keep it clear that this is more about the book and nothing seriously official about it. So let's get into it. See, as the book says, I mean, the title itself is very clear: Prisoners of Geography. Um, Geography is something which you can't change. You are born in a land, and that land has some natural features which you will not escape, and which will shape your, say, it would have shaped your civilization. It must be shaping the way you live, and it will shape your future also. Um, Roughly, it is defined as the geopolitics is something which looks at ways in which international affairs can be understood through geographical factors, how they impact on different aspects of civilization, from say political to military strategy to human development, including languages, trade, and religion.